What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And we're here at Speed Zone getting set up for the actual meet. We're actually a little late. It's supposed to start at 6 and it's 6:30. But it's all good. It was a lot of traffic out there too. Got Franz parking right now. Right now it's just us just here. We do have some of the East Coast imports, domestics and imports, people in the back, because their meet starts at 8. So they're already here. But yeah, we got a few people who said they're gonna be showing up around 7 and a little later. But we'll kind of get to that once we see them. Oh, also, for those who follow me on Instagram, you knew I was looking for a hat to wear with this shirt. Let's Talk More Race. Oreos, all white, one. Definitely hit up the homie, Keon. I'll throw a link to his page, his YouTube, and his Instagram down below. Make sure you follow the homie. Alright, so the shop next door, detailing this, very clean. Black Ops Squad. If you remember, they're the ones who were importing cars on the R34, NSX, and all those. This is clean. Hey, we got that first person showing up with the Nissan side. Homie with the 86 is actually about to leave. He stopped in the Speed Zone to get a part. He almost missed him, but he's about to leave out in a second. But yeah, definitely looking good. Yeah, the old ones usually are. That's nice. Potentially a new photo shoot. Getting lined up for the good shots. Slap shots. Here all day. Alright. Definitely let me know what you guys think of this. It's probably my favorite Z I've seen in a long time. That is so dope.
Why do you do that?
Look at the effects. East Coast imports, they're already rolling deep. Their event starts soon. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah. Dang. No, I didn't see this. And boom. That's dope. What's up?
That's the
Alright, look at that. Not quite Nissan or Infiniti, but it's dope nonetheless. And definitely dope. Oh, airing out on them. But we also got the homie Edwin showing up over here. And S2K over here. Still a bunch of cars in the back. I think they're gonna be showing up or pulling up in the front in probably half an hour or so. But yeah, this S2K is clean. Can't really see it too well because of the light, but trust me, it's dope. All right. There's definitely a lot of cars in the back. Very clean. I'm not sure if everybody's gonna move to the front soon or not, but we will see shortly. Alright, so now we're officially at the other time zone and everybody's here. This is their weekly meet. So yeah. Alright. Still got people rolling in. Just get out the way. Looking good. Rocket Bunny, Lexus, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go meet the Blackouts people down there in a second. Yeah. 300 ZX. Wide body, it's dope. Yeah. It is cold. Well, for Florida cold anyway. But hey, he's from New York and he said that, so man, y'all know, seriously cold. Oops. That's dope. And that's NSX over here. Let's see if we can get to it. Black Widow Supra's on the way. Definitely dope. Emily the Fusion.